Hello everybody, this is Burke from NeoHandyman.com. I have been having a chronic problem with my Broan bathroom exhaust fan slash heater. The heating element itself has been going bad on me every several months, I suppose. It's a fairly ubiquitous model, so I'm guessing that I'm not the only one having this trouble. So I figured I'd make this video, help some people out. Anyway, this is the heating element. I ordered it from Amazon. It's pretty simple to get. It comes very quickly. And this is a very simple operation. You will have to open this ceiling facing before you make your order, unfortunately, because your model number will actually be listed on the inside of the housing. So I'm going to open up these two screws here. And we're going to take the facing down from the ceiling. Once that's down, you're going to have to actually unplug the ceiling unit. That's the power for the light bulbs and what have you. So we're going to take that out. Here's the model number on the sticker, which is found inside the housing once again. That's my model number. Alright, now this is the blower, and these are the two nuts that retain the blower in its place. It's also held on in the back by two studs that go into the housing. It's pretty simple, and actually once you get it open, it's pretty easy to figure out how all that works. So here I am. I'm going to take the retaining nuts off to be able to loosen the heating unit and the blower. Bear with me on this. Alright, now it's free. It is held by pressure, so you don't have to worry about it coming down. At least this one, anyway. And now I will reach up and pull this thing loose. There it goes. Alright. Now, you have to disconnect this from the housing as well. The blower has two couplings. One is actually into the housing for the main power. So it's that one right there. You have to pull that out. It's pretty simple. No special tools are needed. Alright, this is the blower set on the sink here, and I'm going to open up the housing of the blower itself. Speed this up a little bit if I can. This retaining plate has to come off eventually. That's the heating unit that we showed you earlier. And this is the back face. There's two screws in there. Alright. This pulls out pretty simply. Now look at what happened here. If you take a look, this actually got so hot that it melted. I'm going to have to work that one out on my own, but I still need a blower, so I'm going to just show you how to decouple this now. That's the unit, completely melted off there and now disconnected. I'm going to grab the new one. I'm going to plug this back in. Now we'll slide this back into place. Pretty self-explanatory. If you look at the end by my hand here, you'll see that it lines up with the hole, so you really can't make any mistakes. Very simple. I'll turn it over and we'll put the faceplate back on. You know, those are the spurs I spoke of earlier. They need to go into the housing away from the retaining nuts that we had taken off before. Very simple, very easy to do. They just slide right in and just hooks this thing up so it doesn't fall out. Once you're done with this, you have to plug it back into the housing. And then you'll use the spurs we showed before. They slide into, it's very difficult to show this only because I'm using one hand here, but the spurs fit into the left side and the holes go right into the permanent bolts there. Plug it all back in. And you put the faceplate back up with these two screws. Mind you, these two, you'll see the crack here, right there. Don't tighten too much because you will snap that thing. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps. I ordered the parts from Amazon. I will put the listing in the comments. I wish you a lot of luck with your fix. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching.